Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers and culture explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to channel for diving deep into the world of traditional and modern cuisine. If you love exploring the stories behind food, the evolution of cooking techniques, and how cultures balance tradition with innovation, you're in the right place. Throughout history, food has been a reflection of culture shaped by generations of knowledge, natural ingredients, and time-honored techniques. But with the rise of modern cooking using cutting-edge technology, innovative methods, and scientific approaches, has traditional cooking taken a back seat? Join us as we travel across different cultures and explore the battle. Which one truly stands out? Let us find out. In Italy, pasta is a cornerstone of culture and cuisine. For centuries, pasta was handmade using simple ingredients, flour, water, and sometimes eggs. Italian grandmothers nanas still gather in their kitchens, rolling out pasta by hand, cutting it with precision, and shaping it into varieties like tagliatelle, ravioli, and orecchiette. Handmade pasta has a rough texture that clings to sauces better and provides a unique, authentic bite. This method requires patience, skill, and knowledge passed down through generations. Modern cooking, machine-made pasta, with technological advancements. Pasta making has been revolutionized by pasta machines and industrial production. Machine-made pasta ensures uniformity, efficiency, and accessibility, making pasta available worldwide in countless varieties. While handmade pasta offers authenticity and a unique texture, modern pasta making provides convenience and consistency. While modern food lovers appreciate efficiency, traditional cooking, edamame sushi, one of Japan's most iconic dishes, originated during the Edo period as edamame sushi. With chefs mastering the precise cutting of fish, the delicate balance of rice and vinegar, and the proper way to present sushi, the philosophy behind traditional sushi is about respecting the natural flavors of ingredients. The simplicity and craftsmanship make it a revered culinary experience. Modern cooking, sushi robots, and fusion sushi. With globalization, sushi has evolved dramatically. Sushi conveyor belts, katen sushi, and sushi robots now produce sushi at high speeds, making it more accessible and affordable. Additionally, fusion sushi like California rolls and sushi burritos has gained worldwide popularity, adapting sushi to diverse tastes. The verdict: traditional sushi emphasizes skill and authenticity, while modern sushi provides creativity and accessibility. In high-end sushi dining, traditional methods still dominate, but for fast, casual dining, modern innovations take the lead. 3. Mexico, the taco transformation. Handmade tortillas versus mass production. Traditional cooking, handmade corn tortillas. Mexican cuisine is deeply rooted in tradition, and nothing represents this more than handmade corn tortillas. Pressing and cooking tortillas on a hot comal griddle, the result? A soft, flavorful tortilla that enhances the taste of any taco filling. Modern cooking? Factory-made tortillas. With high demand for Mexican food globally, mass-produced tortillas have become the norm. These tortillas are made in factories using preservatives for a longer shelf life. While they provide convenience, many argue they lack the flavor and texture of their handmade counterparts. The verdict: handmade tortillas offer a richer taste and cultural connection, but factory-made tortillas provide convenience for busy lifestyles. If given the choice, many food enthusiasts still prefer the traditional method for its superior flavor. 4. India curry, slow-cooked versus instant versions. Traditional cooking, slow-cooked curries. Indian curries are known for their depth of flavor, achieved through slow cooking and careful blending of spices. Traditional curries are made using fresh ingredients, slow-simmered for hours, to develop complex aromas. Whether it's a rich butter chicken or a spicy Rogan Josh, patience is key in bringing out the best flavors. Modern cooking, instant curry pastes and pressure cookers. In modern kitchens, ready-made curry pastes and pressure cookers have revolutionized Indian cooking. Instapots allow curries to be cooked in a fraction of the time while retaining most of the flavors. Additionally, global brands offer pre-made spice blends, making it easier for home cooks to prepare Indian dishes without spending hours in the kitchen. Traditional curries offer authenticity and depth. While modern methods provide convenience without sacrificing too much flavor, it's a battle between time and taste. Those who love rich, slow-cooked meals may prefer traditional cooking, while busy individuals may appreciate modern shortcuts. 5. France baking artisan baguettes versus supermarket bread. Traditional cooking, artisan baguettes. In France, the baguette is a cultural icon. Traditional boulangeries bakeries make baguettes, using time-honored fermentation techniques, resulting in a crispy crust and airy interior. A true baguette tradition follows strict regulations regarding ingredients and baking methods. Modern cooking, factory-made bread. To meet high demand, supermarket chains produce mass-produced baguettes using shortcuts, quick fermentation, additives, and preservatives. While these loaves look similar, many argue they lack the flavor and texture of a true artisan baguette. The verdict: for authenticity and taste, traditional baguettes win. However, modern production ensures accessibility and affordability. In France, locals still flock to bakeries, proving that some traditions can't be replaced. 6. Ethiopia coffee, hand-roasted versus modern brewing methods. Traditional cooking, Ethiopian coffee ceremony. Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee, has a rich coffee culture. Traditional Ethiopian coffee is made through an elaborate ceremony involving hand-roasting green coffee beans, grinding them with a mortar and pestle, and brewing in a jebena clay pot. The process is slow and social, emphasizing hospitality. Modern cooking, espresso machines, and instant coffee. With modern coffee culture booming, espresso machines and instant coffee have become the norm worldwide. These methods prioritize speed and convenience, making coffee accessible but often at the cost of traditional depth and ritual. The verdict: for those who appreciate coffee as an experience, traditional Ethiopian coffee ceremonies are unbeatable. However, for daily life, modern brewing methods dominate for their efficiency. Who wins? Traditional or modern cooking? After exploring different cuisines, one thing is clear: both traditional and modern cooking have their place. Traditional cooking offers authenticity, deep flavors, and cultural heritage. It's about patience, craftsmanship, and a connection to history. Modern cooking provides convenience, efficiency, and innovation, making high-quality food more accessible to people worldwide. Ultimately, it's not about choosing one over the other, but finding a balance. Some dishes shine in their traditional form, while others benefit from modern techniques. The beauty of food is that it continues to evolve while preserving its roots. What do you think? Do you prefer traditional cooking or modern innovations? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more culinary deep dives.